Hello everyone. Today let us see I sound words. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Now let us see I sound words. B I G big. D I G dig. F I G fig. W I G wig. P I G pig. F I T fit. P I T pit. Yes, I T sit. B I T bit. B I N bin. T I N tin. P I N pin. D I P dip. Z I P zip. L I P lip. S I P sip. T I P tip. Yes, I N sin. T I N tin. W I N win. H I T hit. L I T lit. P B I D, bid. K I D, kid. R I D, rid. These are some of the I sound words. Now let us see once again I sound words. Big, dig, fig, wig, pig, fit, pit, sit, bit, bin, tin, pin, dip, zip, lip, sip, tip, sin, tin, win, hit, lit, bid, kid, and rid. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Also, click on the bell icon so that you'll receive notifications whenever we post a video. Also, you can find A sound words, E sound words, O sound words on our channel.